today's vlog, we're going to Baguio!
Quote-unquote vegetarian.
Creamiest ngayon is creamier. So sobrang creamy na. Kope-kope lang ka.
Get venti.
Hot yun.
Hot please, yes.
Anything else?
What's yours?
Honey nougat oat milk macchiato hot. Red.
Both are hot.
For today's vlog, we're going to Baguio! And we even to Starbucks for our morning coffee. Driving now, going to and we're currently here in Pampanga!
Silverworks, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Guys, bubbles po.
Ay, parang pinapalitan mo.
Ano, may gusto daw.
Laki.
We're nearing Cafe Ruins for breakfast. Actually, lunch na. Pero late breakfast. And
Time check. It's 13 minutes past the hour of 11 o'clock.
we walk from SM going here around 30 minutes walk. Guys, ang ganda ng view. And this is our seat. So nice. Tita Susie's Crispy Tapa. So, silog for me. Ayun lang. Then, siguro, sharing na lang kami sa, what do you call that? Tortang talong.
Tortang talong. So, we balance our order. I'm ordering crispy bagnet, Baguio bagnet. Ano sa'yo? Tapa. And then we are ordering the vegetarian, quote-unquote vegetarian, the tortang talong, Baguio version. We got here, actually nagpark kami sa SM Baguio. The whole Session Road is closed. They have this set up for panagbenga. May mga retailers, food. So I think it's 1 kilometer from Baguio to here. Yeah. And then weather is good. So kahit mainit and maaraw, malamig yung weather. So we don't mind walking. So we'll enjoy the food.
In the view, in the ambience. Look at that our view. Ang ganda ng table namin. We are outside. So yun, ang ganda lang. Tapos nasa may roundabout, rotonda kami sa roundabout ng Baguio City Hall. So ito yung roundabout nila. So ayun, let's enjoy the food. I think mukhang masarap naman. Let's try this bulalo soup. Parang papaitan. Parang hindi ko gusto. Anyway, let's enjoy the food. Later yung verdict. The crispy tapa is good. The soup is not that good. Diyan try natin si tortang talong. May pagkalasang sunog. Pero masarap naman yung texture niya. Parang normal lang na tortang talong, nothing special. Anyway, yun lang.
So we finished our food. We basically paid for the ambience of Ruins. It's basic. The soup, the bagnet is basic. The talong, I think they put some kesong puti. So we were able to finish it also. It complements the bagnet and the crispy tapa. Yeah, I mean, when you go to Baguio, you go to Ruins for the experience, for the ambience. But food-wise, it's basic. And for its price, I think it's normal. But nothing's special. What's ironic? Every time we go to Baguio, we always dine in here at Cafe Ruins. We're not expecting a lot, but it's basic. If you want to try here, you're paying for the whole experience. I mean, look at the view. We're seated in front of the municipality of Baguio. So, soup, fail. First time ko to try actually this soup. This one, no? First time ko to have a sinigang soup over the bagnet. But, no. But overall, yeah. I mean, having lunch or brunch at Cafe Ruins in Baguio feels different also.
On my end naman, for my crispy tapa, okay naman siya, pero parang nothing special. Aside dun sa crispy na tapa, na crispy talaga siya, para siyang corned beef kinda style na, though parang common na kasi rin yung crispy tapa. So, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Kasi hindi naman siya gano'n, parang normal lang yung lasa niya, nothing special. Walang wow factor, which is yun yung hinahanap natin. Then, the talong, 6 out of 10. Parang wala ring special. Tapos lasang sunog. Siguro yung pagsunog nung talong itself. Aside dun sa egg. Then parang kulang din sa lasa siya. Then dun sa soup ko, parang nung una, sobrang fail niya. Like, negative 1 out of 10. Then eventually, parang okay naman pala. So, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Then dun sa bagnet, nag-try din ako ng bagnet. Parang okay naman yung bagnet. Pero wala lang din, parang nating special lang din. Siguro 7 out of 10. Then dun sa soup niya na sinigang, parang hindi nga siya ganun kasarap. So, pero yun nga, yung irony kasi before, parang mas masarap yung mga serving before. Kasi pangatlong By the Ruins na namin ito, Cafe By the Ruins. And parang before na-enjoy naman namin. Pero by this time, parang fail yung mga food nila. I mean, parang nawala yung wow factor niya. So, ayun.
We'll get Miss One foam signature latte, and yes for dining, and then we'll get one lemon meringue, yeah, for dining also.
I'm currently against the light ng Charing. Pero, andito kami sa foam coffee. So, nung last Baguio namin, nagustuhan namin yung coffee dito. And I must say na foam coffee sa must cafe here in Baguio. So, ayun, sobrang okay yung coffee nila. Even the pastry, yung mga donuts nila, superb. So, you should order the donuts.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. The custard in the donuts. Let's try this. Parang to before yung ano. Yung lemon kasi siya, di ba? Parang before to yung refreshing. Pero hindi ko to gusto. Mas gusto ko yung Bavarian lang or yung parang plain lang na donut. Pero masarap.
It's really good. Like it.
Sarap. Kasang kopi ko blanca. Tsaka masarap.
You can really taste the roast coffee.
Tsaka yung creaminess. Sobrang creamy niya. Parang yung dating creamiest ngayon is creamier. So sobrang creamy na. Kopi ko blanca. Yes. Those are the prices here in Baguio. It's so mura. Guys, ang daming tao. Guys, ang daming tao. Here in Session Road, Baguio City, Philippines. Yan o sila idols. Mga idol. Ay, sarap ng shawarma po. Oh my God. That's so good. Napakadaming tao. So many fishes in the ocean. Just. Walking towards to SM from Burnham Park. Actually, from Cafe Ruins to Foam Cafe. So, ayan. Daming tao dito sa Session Road. And it's Friday pa lang. What if kung weekend pa to? So, ayan. Pero ang maganda dito, ang daming merchants, mga stores dito sa Session Road. Mostly restaurants. It's a nice experience. we're going to Soto Grande Hotel here in Baguio. Saan tayo? Sa? Baguio! We're here in the hotel, Soto Grande Hotel. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Wow! Scripted. Wow, ganda. Room tour. 2 beds. What's the view? Ooh, neighbors. We have small balcony here. And TV. You know, my TV. Small room, pero carpeted in fairness. Mukhang bago. Tsaka may workstation there. Kumusta, restroom. Uy, bathtub. Restroom. And may bathtub. Bathtub yung gamit na lang. For bath. Yo. Check natin, cabinets. Corners naman, oops. Ano yun? Sa taas mas masapit. Guys, look at that White House. Ang sabi-sabi, nakakatakot daw yung bahay na yan. Haunted house. Sabi lang sa akin. Pero ayun, lagi na daw siya before, haunted house daw siya. Then kinakatakutan siya na mansion dito sa Baguio. Then currently, lagi na siyang restaurant ngayon. Tapos may steak sila. Ito siya guys. Then, may stick sila. Tapos medyo may dugo-dugo. Tapos yung history na nakakatakot siya before. Tapos ganun yung menu mo. So creepy guys. That's so creepy. Look at this. Look at this. That's so creepy. But actually, it looks nice eh. But yeah. But we're still looking for dinner ngayon. So naghanap kami ng resto around here sa malapit sa hotel. So, yun. Mag-10 na lang kami. So yun, parang most of the restaurant ngayon is ready na kasi it's already late. 8:30 na ngayon. And ang hirap pa mag-drive. Kasi yung parking, parang limited yung parking ng hotel. So baka later pagbalik namin wala na kaming mga parkingan. Napagod ako. Apil yung pupunta dito sa resto. So, dito kami ngayon sa Tenya. The number 1 Japan's tempura tendon. Ayan. So, dyan ang dinner for tonight. So, ayun. Katapat lang siya nung White House. So, yung view siguro namin is the White House here. Pero, ayun. Mga restaurant dito, Rocks, and others. Meron pa namang iba. Yun nga. Tama tayo guys. Yung view natin is the White House. You know, pero affordable naman yung price nila. Nakaset din. Anyway, sige, check muna naman yung menu. For the recap lang, we ordered chicken karage for appetizer. Then, for main, we ordered every tempura. Ano pala?
Sir, kapag gusto po nilang mag-try ng aming
Onigiri.
onigiri po,
Tumimaki na tayo eh. Rice pa rin.
ay okay po.
Pakita natin sa vlog. Chok. Thank you. Sige, for the recap, we ordered for appetizer, chicken karage. Oops, out of frame pala ako. We ordered chicken karage for appetizer. Then, salmon maki. Spicy salmon maki for main. Tapos, Ebi Tiger Tempura. Asak sa bowl set. So, ayun. For tempura tendon. Let's try guys. Let's try the tempura. Let's go. Ano to ng butter? Ang sarap. Ito pa. Ang butter mo. Masarap yung butter. Pero parang kulang sa salt. Baka kulang. Okay now guys, try naman natin yung karage. Distinct talaga fried chicken ng ano no, Japanese. Lasang ginger. So, okay naman. Masarap. Pero hindi ko kasi favorite yung karage. Gusto yung lasang ginger niya. Pero masarap. Anyway, last try natin sa vlog. Let's try the spicy salmon maki. Among the three, parang yung maki yung pinakamasarap. Anyway, enjoy muna namin yung food. Bye-bye. Aftermath. So, ayun guys. For the record, joke. Sige, unahin muna natin review yung tempura. Yung tempura, medyo kulang sa lasa sa akin. Pero yung butter, ang lutong, ang sarap. So, yung vegetables, masarap din. Yung vegetables yung nagdala, I rate it 8 out of 10. Spicy salmon, maki, yun yung masarap. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Para may sasarap pa siya daw. Pero masarap na siya. Then yung karage, hindi ako fan ng karage, pero masarap naman yung karage nila. Pero hindi ko lang gusto yung pagka-ginger type ng mga karage. Tapos yung texture na medyo over-fry. So, I'll give it 7 out of 10. Pero overall, good experience. Masarap naman yung Tenya Japanese restaurant here in Baguio. So yun, walking going to Session Road ulit. Lamig! Sobrang lamig po! Parang Baguio lang na mas malamig pa.
Ang lamig-lamig po dito ngayon. Ang lamig po. Grabing lamig. Hindi naman po masyadong malamig, pero malamig. Sakto lang po. Parang Baguio na mas malamig po.
Sobrang lamig. Grabing lamig po. Pero hindi naman masyadong malamig. Parang Baguio lang na mas malamig pa. Rustics. Bisa review okay daw dyan. It's uphill. Kakapagod sobra. Anyway, malapit na kami sa Session Road na to. So, see you later guys. Si Jet Madela. Kahit na me! na ating samahan sa support our local strawberry. Buy one, take one. 50 lang, ang mura. May ulam. Because of those. Hindi pa lang stall dito. Tigabila, bawat lane dito sa Station Road, merong mga stores. So sa kabila, meron pang ganyan. Tapos meron ba dun? Kabilang side. Ang dami. Ang daming tao. I love Pinagbenga. Guys, I found it. They have bato tayo. I think we're getting waffle for dessert.
Anong difference dalawa?
The leech is bready.
Yeah.
That's more of a dough type. The Belgian is a batter type. Yung batter type po natin, hindi po siya yung tipong yung add water. We really mix it, we really do it from scratch po.
Pistachio or like which one?
Hindi ako ng nuts.
Would you like something?
Sabi ni Kuya, this is the best waffle in Baguio. The best is back here in Baguio. Nasa Session Road sila ngayon. And so far, marami silang customers. So let's try that for dessert.
First bite.
Try this, guys.
Crusty siya. Yung pinaka-waffle niya, yeah.
Sarap yung whipped cream. Na-crispy yung waffle.
Yes.
Going back to hotel now. But we need to walk for 20 minutes. The White House is there. We're currently here in the lobby, so I think that's it for our time for today. Bye-bye.